What if you could step inside the factory that revolutionized the world? In 1908, Ford introduced the Model T.
Shift. Move it. Let's get to work. Watch where you're going. Cable. Over a bit. Setting it down now. Watch your feet. Clear.
Steady. Watch the stream. Lower the ladle carefully.
The chassis appears to be sound.
Excellent.
Install the wheel and the seat next, and then the steering wheel. Time for the test.
The Ford Model T wasn't just another car. It changed manufacturing forever and made personal transportation affordable for millions.